Well, hi there folks. Yet another glorious day up at the strip all on my own. Such glorious sunshine. Well, actually not really. And we've got cloud base down to about a couple of 100 feet above the strip. But at least the good thing is it's not very windy, because it's time for the maiden of my little mini X8 surfer, sky surfer. Now you've seen the big sky surfer, the Brixton clone. Well, this is a mini version, sub 250 grams. I built it very lightweight, hoping there's going to be enough thrust from that little 3-blader on it, and I think it's going to be fine with a 2S 800, so very lightweight park flyer. Let's see how well it flies. Right, well, we're ready to go, and the eagle-eyed amongst you will notice that the sky is suddenly cleared here. In fact, we're not at the same place because, silly boy, guess what I forgot to bring with me? Check you've got planes, check you've got lipos, check you've got everything else. But what didn't I take? Transmitter. So I'm at the local place and it is still a bog because I've just had water over my shoe. But I'm going to give it a throw here. I prefer the other place because it's bigger for maidens. But anyway, we're going to give it a go. At least there's a bit of sun, no wind. So I think I can afford to throw it that way, which is actually slightly downwind. Yeah, that's the plan. Just wish me luck. Right, well, as luck would have it, the sun is just about to go behind quite a big cloud. So I'm going to wait for that, because what breeze there is from here. So I'm going to wait for that and actually throw into the wind. Come on now, get behind that cloud. Right, well, I've given up on the cloud. So it's going to be throw it this way. Not quite, I don't much like hand launching pushers because they have a tendency to nosedive. It's got a little bit of up trim. So with a bit of luck, 2/3 throttle. Whoa, didn't get my thumb on the elevator fast enough. It needs some left trim, and perhaps I'll throw it left-handed. Everything looks all right. Give it a bit more up trim. Very wet here. Can you see? I don't know if you can see the puddles. There's puddles deep enough to go over my shoe. Oh, now that wind's blowing again this way. Come on, get behind that cloud. No, it's not going to happen. Got a muddy nose. Right. It went right. I'm going to give it a bit of left. Try again, man, and be quicker. With my thumb. No, still needs more left, and it's on maximum unless I go into sub trim. So I'll give it a bit of trim. I almost had it that time. Now I suspect it's probably side thrust from the prop thrust from that pusher. I think it is just about to go into a cloud. No, we go this way. Wish me luck this time. Oh, almost. I almost got my thumb on it then. I've given it quite a lot of up trim. I suspect it's the thrust angle of that motor. Now I think that is going to go behind a big cloud soon. I'd rather be throwing upwind anyway, because throwing downwind I haven't got the advantage of that bit of apparent wind. It's obviously more difficult. Give it another minute or two. Any second we're into the wind. Right, this time I will wait for a gust. Half throttle. No, actually it needs quite a lot of throttle. but it is climbing under power, so I think I need to do something with that thrust angle. I've got the throttle about right now, still climbing a lot. But not too bad. Don't want to go into the sun. See, there is the wind there. Whoa, through the sun, I don't like it. Let's knock it back. That's 2/3 throttle now. Not too bad. Still climbing a lot. I think it needs a bit of a swift with that thrust angle. But I think it's not a bad little flyer for a £20 kit. And a tiny little 1812 motor or whatever it is I've got on it. Whoa, coming a bit close now, getting a bit low. Let's stay high, shall we? Let's stay high, get away from those trees. I've got a feeling that battery's dying because I'm running out of bump with this now. I'm going to come round for a landing. Yeah, I'm running out of juice with that. It's quite an old, it's only a 2S 1800. No, we've got it there. Let's keep it going, man. Throttle, throttle, throttle. Don't panic. Let's keep it there. Whoa! If it wasn't for that slightly long grass that it clipped there, it would have come in just lovely in front of my feet. So anyway, Sky Surfer Mini X8, £20 kit, built really light, sub 200 grams. I think with a bit of messing around, yeah, I can see here actually the angle, I don't like it much, needs to come more that way. With a bit of messing around, I think that's going to be a sweet little flyer. Oh, and just one more thing to add. I said at the start of the video, the eagle eyes may have noticed the change in venue because I forgot my radio transmitter. You may have also, the eagle-eyed may have also noticed the little navigation lights on this Mini Surfer. So don't miss my little video on cob lights. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching. At least I did get to fly, and next time I'm going to put a little checklist. Keep planning to checklist. Planes, lipos, transmitters. So anyway, if you've enjoyed the vid, please give it a like, and why not subscribe to see some more. I tell you what, I'll leave you with the maiden of the big Sky Surfer. Test with it with a Speedy B flight controller where, like a fool, I lost the plot and crashed it. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Hopefully catch you soon. Bye for now.